new video. How to make ginger lemon water. First, we're gonna show and demonstrate how to make it. And then I'm gonna talk about all the benefits of ginger lemon water. You guys notice I'm using a titanium cutting board? That's because I don't want little pieces of plastic in my body. All right, enough with the buffoonery. All right, as you can see, I have ginger. I'm crushing the ginger. I'm cutting up in little pieces. Some people in the beginning, you're not gonna be able to handle this much ginger, but just start from a little bit, and then put more and more. The more ginger, obviously, the more benefits, I think. 1 lemon is good enough for this size container or like a jug. Now, if you have a juicer at home, this little device that's only made for juicing lemons and other oranges, maybe some limes, well, go ahead and use it. But if you don't worry. Just use the palms of your hand and squeeze that lemon in. When you're done juicing the lemon, throw both pieces into the container and add olive oil. Just kidding, don't add olive oil. Do not add olive oil. that was a joke. So as you can see inside the container, there's quite a bit of ginger. And I think for a beginner, about half of that is probably more than enough. Okay, now while the water is filling it up, let's go ahead and talk about some of the benefits that make this such a super great drink to drink first thing in the morning. I mean, it helps with cholesterol. These are claims. General health benefits, helps lower your blood sugar level, helps you lose your belly fat. I mean, according to medicinenet.com, regular consumption of lemon water may help strengthen bones, promote oral health, and prevent apnea and kidney stones. Now, some claim that I should be drinking the first thing in the morning to get the digestive system started and also before bed. Now, I also want to point out that you can add turmeric, which also has antioxidant, anti-inflammation effects. So some people like to put a little bit of turmeric into their lemon ginger, but it will definitely change the taste. Turmeric is very, very bitter. We don't always do that. I have another video where I put turmeric in coffee. Now, this is another thing you could actually use, which is honey. Passion fruit honey, whatever honey you want to use, Manuka honey. Now, obviously, if you're gonna put turmeric and honey, you want to mix it in before you fill it up. If you forget, it's okay. All you have to do is put it in and get something to stir it with, like a wooden spoon, and you're fine. Now that we finished this water, what we're gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and leave it there. And you probably wanna wait a good hour, Sometimes I even like to shake it up a little bit. Go ahead, don't be scared. Just shake it up a little bit. And then you could even put it in the refrigerator. Yeah, if you do that, then you can have it first thing in the morning.
But, there's gonna be videos and people out there that say boil the ginger. Or boil everything first. But I totally disagree with that. And the reason why is because although ginger can be boiled, if you boil lemon, you're pretty much gonna kill all the nutrients, which is why we're even making this.
If you boil it, you're gonna kill the vitamin C. Just be clear, jeez.
The vitamin C and some of the other benefits are gonna be destroyed. And then what's the purpose of having a ginger lemon drink? Now let's talk about some of the benefits of having lemon ginger water, especially in the morning. So it's great for digestion. The ginger really helps with that. Some people that are very sensitive may need to be careful and put a little bit less. It's great for weight loss. Lemon ginger water can help with weight loss by reducing hunger and boosting metabolism. It's great with immunity because of the vitamin C and antioxidants from both the lemon and ginger. Pain relief. Some people have been claiming that it's been helping with pain relief, stress relief, brain function, definitely hydration, detoxification, going back to the antioxidants, relaxation, and what's interesting is a stuffy nose. So if you have a stuffy nose in the morning, then you might want to try drinking lemon ginger water.
Well, if you made it this far into the video, here's your little brownie point. What I want to show you is that once you do fill up a couple cups, you'll notice your container is going to be half empty. Well, go ahead and refill that baby. I would say that every time you make one of these, that you do not want to let it go for over 24 hours. You know, although I have in the past, and nothing happened. But of course, there's going to be more nutrients within that first 24 hours. Okay. So go ahead, fill it up with water and let it seep again. Depending where you are, if it's really hot, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. If it's winter, then you don't even need to do that. And besides seeping, it's always good to shake it up. Shake it up. Go ahead, shake that baby up. Get all that juicy, citrusy bits and ginger mush, get it all in there so it seeps really good. And then put it in the fridge. See you later, guys. I hope this video was helpful and fun.